Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your Google Maps data. Click your profile on the upper right hand side and choose your data in Maps, and you want to scroll down guys to where you'll find the feature that says, or an option that says download your Google Maps data or download your Maps data. If you tap on that, you will have the option to literally download your data, and you can simply scroll and choose what are the data you'd like to download. So you have bunch of different things that are actually there. So you have things such as your maps, you have places in your maps, you have my maps, you have the timeline, you have a bunch of different things that you can literally go through. So you want to go ahead and just choose whatever you want. Let's say you want to only download something that is in your maps. You can just uncheck all of the others that are actually there, and you can just go through and just click on next, for example, and then you can choose how you want to receive this. So you can say send me the link right in my email, and you can choose like, okay, this is a export once or export every 2 months. You can really customize it, right? Choose the type of file type you want, so you can have the tgz or the zip file. The zip is much more common here in this case, and you can choose, file size as well. You can just basically choose that, and then you just create the export. And once you create the export, you will see that you receive an email with a link. You can just click and download that link, and you'll be able to have that zip file for your data that you can basically export and view the data and do whatever you want with it. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.